season. I hate it when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow me down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi and I'm a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. And in this channel, you can find all the good girly stuff like DIYs, makeup tutorials, reviews, and much more. So if you love these girly stuff, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you have a notification when I upload a new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber and you are coming back to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this makeup look, and as you can see, looks so girly and so like feminine. I love this kind of makeup. It's simple for beginners especially, but still looks so flawless and so amazing. So I'm gonna make this makeup look in this video. So if you want to see how I did this lovely makeup look, please keep watching. Let's begin our tutorial. So as usual, I'm gonna use Nivea Men Balm and apply a small amount of it all over my face and use my fingers to rub it in a circular motion against my skin until I feel it's completely sticky. That's when I know it's ready to apply my makeup on. So now it's time for foundation. I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation with this brush. It's really nice one because it have this kind of a rubber thing. So I'm gonna apply small dots, as you can see, all over my face. Just a few, and I'm gonna add more if I need, but this is what I'm gonna begin with, and use this flat top brush to buff it in. And don't forget to apply foundation on your chin and your neck, especially the upper part of your neck, to remove any mask face between your face and the rest of your body. Now it's time to apply some lip balm all over my lips to hydrate it until I finish my makeup. And using this concealer with the Catrice one. So I'm gonna apply the LA one first in this triangular shape underneath my eyes and take it up to the left part of my eye, as you can see here, and use this small brush from BH Cosmetics and buff it in. I love using brush to buff like concealer and foundation because actually it really helps to give a full coverage and at the same time buff the product really well against my skin. So I love using brush all the time. So as you can see, I buff it against my skin. And after buffing this concealer, I'm gonna apply the Catrice one. And here I'm using the foundation brush to remove any harsh lines and blend my concealer with my face. Using the Catrice one and apply on these two specific places to lift my eye and brighten it a little bit more. And again, using the foundation brush to blend everything to make sure everything is blended and looks perfect and flawless. Using the Benai, it's a copy one, but it's really good actually. And with this oval brush to apply a generous amount of powder, just like baking, but it's not really heavy baking. But applying this just after I finish blending my concealer against my skin to make sure there's no creasing, and I leave a really nice amount of powder underneath my eyes for any fallout. Now it's time for the eyes, using this NYX eyeshadow paste with this brush, the concealer brush that I used, and buff it in against my lid to make a really nice base. Using this palette with the Real Technique Dome brush, using this color first for the transition color on my crease area. And make sure it's really blended in really nice.
I do this every season. I hate it when summer comes. I fall in trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost them.
With the same brush, I'm gonna use this darker color and apply actually mostly on the outer part of my eye. And when I finish the outer part, I take a little bit more into my crease to make more definition. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, dome brush. It's a clean one, so this will help to blend the two colors together and remove any harsh lines. So it's completely clean, doesn't have any color over it, just to blend colors together. Now I'm gonna take this color with the same area technique brush and apply only on the outer part of my eye to define it even more, and take the rest of the color to the crease. And I'm gonna take the color a little bit out to the outer corner, and again take the buffing brush to make everything soft and remove any harsh lines. Taking this defining brush and take these two colors, mixing them together, and it really helps. It's really small, so it really helps to apply underneath my eye, as you can see here. And don't forget to connect to the outer part, and take a little bit to really outer part and connect it to the eyeshadow on my over my lid to complete the look. Now taking this dark color again and apply only on the outer part of my eye, and again connect it with the eyeshadow from my upper eyelid. Now I'm gonna take this small palette from PH Cosmetics and using this color, using my fingers because it's a little bit shimmery, so using finger really helps to add more shimmer somehow. And then I'm gonna use the brush to blend everything and make it perfect, because applying with your fingers is not really perfect, but really make the shimmer pop. And now I'm gonna take the same brush that I applied eyeshadow with no color to remove any harsh lines. Now this is a clean brush, and take a little bit of the powder and apply it to the rest of my eye, like underneath my brows. And now it's time to apply a winged gel liner using the Maybelline and with this lovely brush from the cream shop. I'm not gonna connect the wing to the inner corner. I'm just gonna apply it to half of my eye, on the outer half of my eye only, and make it really winged and really soft. Actually, it was a little bit dry, so I'm gonna use Include Duraline drops and mix it with the gel liner and make sure it's really blended. And now as you can see, it's more black and more defined because the gel liner was really dry, so that's why now it looks so black and so soft. And I'm gonna take what is left on the brush and apply it to the upper water lash line. And it was a mistake because I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. That's why I look so sad and so mad at the same time. So what I did is just finish my eyebrow as usual. So thanks God it's nothing fancy. So just finished my eyebrow, and I was applying my mascara when I found out my camera wasn't recording. So now I'm gonna finish the mascara. So I use this mascara, apply 2 coats before I'm gonna apply the eyelashes, and use this gel liner to do my eyebrows. And of course, for more defining, using this powder to define my brows. Now it's time to apply the lashes using this from Lodenberry and do adhesive glue and apply it. Now it's done, so everything is perfect. Now it's time for the face. I'm gonna use this brush with this powder and buff everything to my face to make sure the concealer, foundation, everything is set in place, and to give me this really lovely matte look because I am obsessed with matte finish. So I'm gonna buff it in all over my face to make sure everything is perfect and flawless. Now using this palette, it's really nice. It's a copy one, but it's really nice. With this brush and mix these colors together to add my contour.
I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow.
Now I'm gonna use this brush. I have it from a while, but I didn't use it before actually to do my nose contour, and actually I loved it. So lovely. It makes everything perfect. So I'm gonna use it as you can see here, and then use it to add more color to the sides of my nose to make it even smaller, and then to do the normal contour of the nose.
I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down.
Now as you can see, I'm taking it a little bit more to the eye area to make it more defined and nice. Now using this clean brush to blend the nose contour with my border underneath and my face. Now taking the same brush with the highlight and apply it to the bridge of my nose.
I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do.
My cupid's bow.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already.
And a little bit of to my chin and to the inner part of my eye. And of course underneath my eyebrows. Now taking this brush with the same highlight and apply it to my upper cheek area, as you can see here. Time for blush, my favorite part, using my favorite color with my favorite brush and add my blush. So I'm gonna apply this color, Dusty Rose, to my cheeks first, and then I'm gonna blend more with peach color. Now it's time for my favorite trick to add this filter effect using the powder and powder brush and buff everything together. As you can see here, this is my favorite trick, and as you can see the difference looks so flawless, and add this filter effect. So let's do it. Nice. So it's almost done. Time for our lips. I'm gonna use this amazing color from Maybelline, Sensational Colors, and apply all over my lips. And for more color intensity, I'm gonna apply this color from NYX to add more depth to this really hot pink color, and it's amazing. And we're done. I love it.
I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
And this is it. I really hope you like this video and you like this makeup tutorial and it was easy for you. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.
And I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already.